this whopper. Jesus. Oh man, something tried to get a hold of that bad boy. That is a big baby. Look at this. How big that sucker is. Yeah. Not very big, but that's number 5. We'll cast it out, let it go to the bottom. Just kind of, there he is right there. And just let it go to the bottom. Nice, just gentle reel. They're not big ones, but I mean, I am catching them left and right in this honey hole. They're a little bit bigger than what I've been catching. Get him back in the water. They're a little bitty. Let's see right here. But man, am I catching them. That's probably number 8. Been in this spot for 10 minutes now. There he is right there. Just dead sticking it. Oh, yes. Hey, like I said, they are not big, but man, I'm using this light tackle. Oh man, he's a little bit bigger. That's a little bit bigger here. I mean, I'm using this light tackle here, 8-pound test, a beetle spin. I'm just literally just casting it out there and just doing a nice, easy, just reel, kind of let it sit, reel. There he is right there. Oh man. Oh my goodness, that was a lot better. Oh my God. It's so fun on this light tackle. I feel like a little kid again. My goodness. Guys, I mean, we are catching them. We're not going to keep any of these because they're too small, but man alive, we are having a heyday right here. Again, all I'm doing is just throwing it out there, letting it go to the bottom. Just doing like a simple reel. Let it sit. Reel it in a little bit. There's a bump right there. There's another one. There he is right there, baby. I mean, they're just all in here today. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Golly, let's try it again. Let's try it again here. Go down to the bottom. There's a little reel there. Oh, that's a good one. That's a nice one. Oh, yeah, there you go. I say that's a good one. He's bigger than the other ones I've been catching. And again, this light tackle, this is by far my favorite thing to do. Light tackle, a beetle spin. Here I am. I've already caught maybe a dozen of these bad boys. They're a little bitty. Back here, 3 foot of water. Caught this little guy right here. This down log is just right around the corner from the boat ramp as you get into the creek. Caught some nice crappie off that log there. Pulled in a big one over here off the tube. Water's about 9 foot deep right now. I find that I do better throwing up against the bank and pulling into 7 to 10 feet of water. Then whenever it humps up to about 6 foot, I really don't catch a lot. You can see that's what's happening right there. That's a good little spot right there. That bend gets really nice and deep, so it gives you some transition to fish off of. The bank gets about 1 foot deep right off the bank, I would say, maybe 3 foot, and then it drops down to about 3 foot and it comes down to 6-7 feet. That's about the average depth in the bayou here. And this is going south. Again, it gets kind of deep around these turns here, 8 to 9 foot deep. We're just right around the corner from the boat ramp here. Now we're coming up on one of my favorite spots to fish. Now off to the right, there's some grass, and it's about 1 to 2 foot, I would say, almost coming out to about 1/3 of the bayou here, and then it drops off into 4 to 6 feet of water. You won't catch big ones, but if they're there, you'll catch quite a few. Kind of see that transition right there. Just right around the corner is the boat ramp. You can see here, this is the boat ramp. And if you go out to where that gazebo is and take a right, that'll take you up underneath I-10. If you take a left where that gazebo is, that will take you down the big part of what I call the bigger section of Turtle Bayou, and it gets really deep. Good fishing out there as well. That'll take you all the way to the 563 bridge, and it goes anywhere from about 1 foot right up against the bank, and then it drops off very quickly. 8 foot gets anywhere from 15 to 25 feet deep in there. Thanks for watching.